Revolution get destroyed. Low end rumbles like buried screams.
Accidentally ran a red light without realizing it. A few seconds later, he became well aware of the angry driver following him. What started as a minor mistake turned into a dangerous ordeal when the driver actually smacked the biker. Thankfully, other bikers immediately stepped in to assist. And
I didn't see it. You don't do that again. I didn't see it. Relax. I didn't see it. Relax. Don't tell me to relax. You want to you want to come on. Come on. Okay, go.
The driver's tantrum caused this entire mess, but he definitely faced the consequences in the end. Disclaimer.
This video is presented for educational and informational purposes only.
Because you fucking hit that on that way. I don't give a I didn't hit you. You can't hit his helmet, right? You want to slap him and take your talk. That's all right. You put the down. Get the fuck out of here. What am I doing, man? Go get your out of here. You're not getting shit. MD-723. I have everything on video. I got you on video too. I got you. You were right. You show us
In this video, a scooter rider dangerously cuts off another biker. He suddenly applies the brakes, nearly causing a collision. The reckless maneuver angers the biker, leading to a heated argument that quickly escalates into a physical altercation.
Hey,